Thank you so much for watching the Press Avenue YouTube channel. My name is John, and today we're going to talk about how to figure out what theme is being used on a website. So we have a Facebook group, which is facebook.com/group/pressavenue. You can see it right here. And this question came in earlier today, and it said, may I ask which theme is this blog using? So we use two different sites to figure this out, as well as looking at the source code. One of them is Built With. So let me zoom in. So builtwith.com. You can enter in any site. We'll enter in our site, and it'll show you everything that it is built with. So we use Hotjar and Google Analytics. We use a Facebook pixel. Widgets or services. This one's Opt-in Monster, Thirsty Affiliates, Fresh Chat, WP Rocket. It's all in here. Font Awesome. So this is everything our site is using. We're actually not using BB Press, so that is interesting that it shows that, but it's pretty close. If we go to another site called isitwp.com, this is another way to see what a site is actually using. So this one right here, it shows the title, the hosting provider, or at least who's hosting the DNS. And then now it's scanning for plugins and other details. If you see here under WordPress theme details, it now says this site is using the Beaver Builder child theme, which is true. You zoom in here. They don't have a database of this. It's just a child theme. It comes with Beaver Builder. This says we're unable to detect plugins on this site, and then sends us to a blog post. But essentially, if you go to a site, so I'll let this load. Here's our site here. Make this bigger. And if you go to a site, so we went to our site pressavenue.com, right-click anywhere in Chrome, and go to View Page Source, you'll see a ton of code. From here, you can do Control F or Command F and type theme, and you just kind of peruse down here. So this top part just talks about our description. If you look here, it's talking about the block library theme. That's not quite what we want. But right here, it says so it'd be your website /WP content /themes /BB theme is what we're using. So if you really search for themes / you would see we're using the Beaver Builder theme. So let's try another site. If we go to WP Tavern, right click, go to View Page Source, search for themes / let me zoom in here so you can actually see it. WP Tavern is using the Stargazer theme. So what I do from here, so I go at the top, type WordPress theme, Stargazer, click enter, and now we can find the exact theme that they're using, and we can use it on our own site. So that's how we look up what theme a WordPress site is using. If this was helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up. Also, let us know in the comments. We'd love to have a chat with you about what your WordPress questions would be, and if this was helpful in any way. Additionally, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the top of YouTube to see more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching.